close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Yeah. Outside, we just finished cleaning out the pump room. Come look at it. That's alright, it's okay. No. No man. So look on it, see the difference?
Good job, yes.
Sweep it out. Was wipe it down and clean it up.
Since you come and use now, you can't.
Yeah, but because of COVID, we weren't able to travel like that, so.
I know.
No, it's free enough, we can travel.
Pretty?
Yeah, man. It was really dirty.
Yeah. You know, none of your faces every time.
Mm-hmm.
If you're maintaining it, we're
Yeah, man. Just wipe it down. Nice and pretty. Top of it. No, you know powerful like this? Powerful, man. There's some smaller one. That one is smaller.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is a massive pump. I don't remember.
It's going nice and clean, yeah.
Try to see what Papa. Three of them are sitting here.
What followers have you on Facebook now?
Hmm?
How many followers do you have on Facebook?
On Facebook or YouTube? 400 and something
That's not bad.
subscribers.
That's even though people want to do that for you.
Eh?
That's how come. But don't put my video.
Mega black out the face.
Good place.
Never Jay but black out the face. Okay, let me go up to the I'm gonna have to use my weed whacker. Use my weed whacker and do some cut down some of these bush before I leave. So we're about to change gas tank. One is empty. The empty one is right there. So we're gonna go change it right now. And we're gonna buy a regulator. So it's easier for the ladies to switch it over. Yeah, so I cleaned up it was very dusty. This is my powder room. Cleaned it out yesterday. So we're gonna fix this. I'm gonna tile it here, face basin. I'm gonna standing shower over here. Wash off the chlorine. It's not bad. And we're gonna store the cement here for now. So we're storing them on the veranda. And store cement here. Yep. We purchased this yesterday. My mother can sit and lie down and stuff. I have two on the back veranda. Got the two pieces. Alright. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I mean one Jamaican. I mean one Jamaican. Happy Bush Messi.
What? It's over there, son.
This bridge and tell me about that?
No, we are come up to it.
Okay.
Highway
So like so get picked up in flowers and
This is the new leg of Highway 2000. Oh yes, the new leg. Oh, here it goes. Here
See
it
the bridge,
goes.
Gene?
Here it goes.
Okay.
This is the bridge.
I never paid no attention.
Where am I now?
No, I really never paid no attention.
the G report, but of course there's a mix of things. You should know by now that social media app went live earlier on today in Apple's App Store. And it's called Truth Social. Owned by Trump Media.
Take out the fear, no?
The fear?
The toll booth. I got yours.
No, I'm going to go to the toll booth. Go to the toll.
You sure now I'm going yours?
No, Daddy, I can't do that.
It's up to you. I'm
Over in
not
the UK, the Queen Elizabeth II tested
No, ma'am,
positive for
I'm going to
COVID.
pay a tour.
Alright.
Exactly. You know when they hold a siege, they're going to hold when they have a siege.